In this video, we'll be looking for some advanced date functions, that is date functions part 2. What are those functions? I'll show you the here. That is network days, and I have something known as network days.intl international, and I have something date versus days. Let's see those one by one. Suppose I'm working in a company, and in a company Saturdays, Sundays are given off. So how many days in a month, in a year I'll be working? So this way I can calculate net working days in a company. So let's see that. I have just written here dates, that is start date and end date, that is 1/1/2016 and that is 31st December 2016. Now, if I want to calculate what are the net working days in a company, so I'll just tell you roughly how it is. There are 52 weeks in a year. Those 52 weeks, Saturday, Sunday, if I say, it becomes 104. So I'll just type here 52 weeks and 104 Saturday, Sundays. So in a year, there are 365 days. If I subtract here 104 days equal to 365 minus 104, enter. So I'll get 261 days. But sometimes it is possible that first date might be on Saturday, Sunday, or the last date might be on Saturday, Sunday. So how do I calculate? So I have a function here that is net working days, but it was simple because it has 365 days. Imagine I'm taking some odd difference like June to next July or June to next August kind of. So I'll use a function here known as net working days. So I'll type here equal to net work days tab, and if you see here, it will ask me for start date comma end date, and third parameter is holidays. Holidays is in square brackets, that means it is optional. Even if you don't use it, it's not a problem. Now I'll use start date as 1/1/2016, end date as 31st of December. So I'll select this start date comma select end date and close the bracket. So once I close the bracket, I'll get the answer as 261. So if you change any dates, still you will get the answer. That is net working days. That is excluding Saturday, Sundays. Now what if I have some holidays? Let's see, on the right hand side, I've written some holidays. 15th August 2016, in India there's a Independence Day, so we have a leave. 2nd of we can say October 2016, there's a Gandhi Jayanti. So I have 2 leaves given in my company. So what if I want to include the holidays? I'll use a function same, net working days equal to net work days, and I'll select the same start date comma end date comma, and I won't write this number 2 because these are 2 holidays, which is these are 2 Independence Day and Gandhi Jayanti. I'll not write here number 2. The reason is maybe either of them might fall on Saturday, Sunday. Okay, so I'll leave up to Excel to calculate. But how do I include into this place? So what I'll do is I'll include this both into my function. So this automatically will calculate which is Saturday, Sunday, and it will give me the answer. So once I press enter, if you see, it says as 260. So it means either of them falls on the weekends, that is either Saturday or Sunday. So that is the reason I have included both the cells into that function. Next one I have, in my country it's Saturday, Sunday, the week off. But what if in some other countries the number of days are, let's say some people have Monday off, Tuesday off, or Saturday, Sunday, kind of anything. So what I'll do is I'll type a function for international holidays also. So what is that function? It is also known as network days international. So I'll type here equal to network days dot intl, and same way I'll select start date comma end date comma. Once I press comma, the weekend, the third parameter, it will give me all the dates like weekends. So whichever weekend you want, you can select. First one, it says Saturday, Sunday, Sunday, Monday, Monday, Tuesday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So I'll select the fourth one, Tuesday, Wednesday, and press tab comma, and holidays as it is, I'll select both of them like this and press enter. So according to international holidays, how many working days are in there? In 2016, there are same 260 working days. So this way we can calculate the difference between dates and how we can get net working days in a company. Next we have, that is date versus days. Now I'll just give you a small scenario. In a company, if I have some date kind of this one, yeah, so I have this kind of date, and what if I want days in the next column, that is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday kind of. So how do I get in the next column? So it's very simple. I'll just type equal to and copy the cell on the left hand side and press enter. So but there's no difference, I've got the same date. Now what my requirement is, I want Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So what I'll do is I'll change the format of this cell. How do I change the format is, I'll just select this cell and I can just right click here and click on this format cells dialog, format cells. So once I click on this format cells, in the date, I'll try to find my format, that is Monday, Tuesday, but it's just not available. So what I need to do is I need to customize my own format. So I'll go in the custom. In the custom, if you see, it is shown as 14/07/2016 and this is the format. So I'll delete this format and I'll type my own format. The format would be, let's say D. If I type D, it's saying as 14. Again D, it says 14. Again one more D, it says Thursday, THU. Again one more D, it says entire Thursday. So, and if I put comma, MMM, so it says July. So you can keep on formatting, you can make your own formats. So right now I'll just delete everything, I just want Thursday. So in the custom, I have typed here the format, that is DD and I'll press enter. So once I press enter, you can see the format is given here. Now if I drag down this, if I drag down at the bottom, you can see I've got all the days in front of the days, that is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, all the options. So this way you can find out how to calculate, how to find out date versus days. This is the method by which you can do. So I hope you have understood this network days, INTL and network days. So that's all for this video.